Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds of breathing in. Hold tight.
Hello, I'm Utkarsh. I'm unboxing my new phone, that is iPhone, not iPhone, OnePlus 6.
Yes,
Okay?
sir.
Let's do this.
अपने YouTube चैनल है डायरेक्ट
अरे
I
ग्लास
hope there are no stones inside it. Okay.
वो चला 46 साल ना तो भी क्या दो लगे
Okay, there you go.
wow
Finally, there's some things about Amazon.
finally got the iPhone 6 sorry I also mistaken OnePlus 6
Okay, there's some documents, Amazon documents, and let's do the unboxing. This is the variant of 8 GB and 256 RAM. Sorry, 256 ROM. I'm confused.
you are not confused you are excited
Maybe that is what I am. Need something to get it off, man.
Sudesh will help no
Sudesh, please give this what you call
Knife.
Cutter,
holder.
knife.
knife, cutter, anything you have. Sharma ji, what
Thanks,
you
I got a knife.
have? Okay.
Thanks to Sharma ji. Okay.
वो कार्ड मरन आला रॉकी तक दो वाला
असं नाही.
तेरे मेरे
Okay.
wow
There it is.
this is the 6 no
The speed you need.
wow
Finally.
what a phone man
Now to get this out.
oh
Okay, that's the dash charger cable. C-type cable.
what
Really
is
good.
this? This is the
C-type cable, you can see this, right?
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
it's a special cable for only OnePlus 6
Yes. The dash charger is very fast to. I swear. It feels good. The texture is good. They have applied a screen guard, a plastic screen guard, I suppose. And yes, the phone known as OnePlus 6 is known for their camera. Okay.
Yeah.
So yes, that is all. Okay. So in this, I get some things, I suppose.
देखिए gift voucher
Nah,
maybe
nah.
or earphone
There's no you don't get earphones in this. Okay, so I get silicone casing in this with the ejector and some documents, I suppose. Yes, right? Yes.
that's a manual
Some guides, safety information. Yes, pretty much it. What else? Well, there's some casing, I suppose. There's no use.
अंकल liquid है भी कोई है
Liquid they already मांगे
they're
थे.
separate
Liquid damage.
that will be separate
Okay, let's start this phone.
वो starting with OnePlus 6 OnePlus 1 OnePlus 2 OnePlus 3
This is alert slider, I swear. Okay. Oh snap!
the first phone in Goa
Not in God, in account. I say.
in Goa
हाँ अर्शी
yeah
नाही.
कोणी घेतलं रे काय नव्हतं
घेतला
One
खूप
plus
जण
eight.
घेतला, खूप जण घेतला.
sure दो
sure
Yes,
100%
आम्ही जाणार त्यांच्यानी घेऊन नसले मे बी.
that is
Okay.
what no I say
Okay. State. Okay. Let's do this. Agree. I'm in.
what a speed
Notification
man
skip. Set up as new.
just show the
Fresh.
this no settings no
Okay, Acme. What's the password?
capital no yes
SK हमारा direct.
Capital S,
Yes. K.
capital
No, no.
K.
One small.
Order 6,
0.
huh?
0964.
0964. Okay, it's authenticating and it's getting connected. Yes, it's connected.
कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा है इसके ऊपर. इसके ऊपर ऐसे पकड़ेगा.
ते तेका दिसतले ना.
New memory card है. है कितना record होता है? Pause मार रहे.
I'm
तो
going
मैं
to
edit
sign
करता
it.
हूँ.
This phone's texture is really good.
Silicon.
Okay, finally.
8 GB RAM.
Add face data. Yes. Pattern lock.
Face unlock कर मारे.
This is the pattern.
ऐड आके दाग pattern.
Loud. देखो बड़ा pattern बोल रहा था. Okay. I'm also here. Yeah था. I agree. There are a lot of things to go up with.
मेरा सारखं happy दाखव मर face.
त्या अजून झालं अर्ग FPS चाललं. Okay, finally
The phone is
never
off.
settle. Phone.
Wow.
There's some written on it. The
The flash is on. No, can't see now. 1 second.
Light off कर मारे 2 मिनिटांनी.
Never settle.
never settle. Yes.
Just show the this no CPU and memory and RAM.
Okay, let's check it out.
Yeah.
About phones. It's 8.1.0.
Oreo.
Name of the phone is OnePlus 6. You can see that, I suppose, right? Oxygen OS is 5.1.8.
8 GB RAM.
8 GB RAM, 256 GB ROM.
My PC is 4 GB RAM.
8 GB.
8 GB RAM.
Yes.
Super fast. Super fast.
System update. Let's check for some updates.
ते मैं ही कर रहा update.
Okay, fine.
Check the camera man. You got it for camera.
फोटो काढवायचा ना माझ कोणीच. Swear.
Just zoom it down. No, outside.
This portrait mode. Look at this, look at this.
Oh,
See the blurriness, man.
Portrait mode. Man. Shit. Too good. Huh? Too good.
Swear, man.
So face lock, no?
Face unlock.
Yeah.
Once again.
So yeah, we'll check the speed. Huh? 1, 2, 3.
Damn.
Oh shit.
Look at this, look at this one.
all because
Now it's not looking. Now on your face. Shit.
Direct.
dripping light.